The Young Men's Christian Association YMCA Shillong had celebrated the Advent Christmas at a function that was held on the 7th of December 2022 at the Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides Hall in Shillong. Those present during the celebration included Bishop Purely Lyngdoh, who is the president of the YMCA in Shillong, the association's General Secretary R Myrboh, Reverend VTS Langstieh, Reverend Sunshine Warjri, members of the YMCA and the YWCA, students, special invitees and others. A rendition of various Christmas carols and songs were presented by different groups of young people, while Reverend VTS Lyngdoh shared the Christmas message amongst those present.
Fear came to Joseph also. It wasn't easy for these two young people whom God has chosen to be the instruments in the story of salvation. We also have the shepherds. Shepherds were people who were outcasts and they weren't allowed to be in the temple. You know, in the temple those days in Jerusalem, there were priests and high priests and many people, that the only people who can be in the temple are the people who are priests. And shepherds were the people who had to live outside the temple and had to be in the fields because they were outcasts, sinners. Yeah. And when the angels came to the shepherds, fear came upon them. How can God come to us sinners to reveal that the Son of Man, the Son of God, is born? And fear came upon them.